welcome back to my show, to my channel, where I'm gonna show you how to redo your little statue garden animals or whatever you have to paint. I have this pig that was thrown away, and as you can see, his leg, it was just one big piece of iron that was coming out of it just to hold him in place in the garden. Instead, what I did is I added a wine cork for his little foot just to stand balance. And since he's gonna be in the garden, it doesn't matter how it would look because the flowers are gonna go around him. So this is the little pig, and he needs a makeover. His whole body needs to be painted, and that's what I'm going to show you. So I already prepped him. He's ready to be painted. All you have to do is make sure that he's clean and make sure that all the dirt is off and scraped off, so he's ready to be painted. The pig a little light beige color like I mentioned earlier, and now I didn't have the color pink, but if you have red and white and a little bit of water, you mix them, and the more water or white you add to the red, it gets lighter. So I like the color it's coming out to be, and so I started to test it on my little statue pig to bring him back to its original look, like if he was new. But it's coming out nice, I think. So I'm getting the pink. The lighter it gets, the better pink you get. It depends on if you want it bright or light. I would like it a little light, so that's what I'm doing here. So, and a little bit of the paint goes a long way, so it's working. So when you mix those colors together, it comes out a lighter pink for a little pig. So as you see, it's coming out, and so as soon as I finish, I'll show you the whole pig when it's done. Okay guys, this is the end look of my pig. This is do-it-yourself updating or just refreshing the paint on your statue pigs in your garden if you have any pigs or any kind of animal. And this is the end look of him. He's on my garden and he looks very nice. And again, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and click the like button. Thank you.